In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To add a payment method on Steam, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and click where it says manage your account, so your name up here. On this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto account details. Now once you're on your account details page, if you look at the top on the store and purchase history section, you're going to see a link here to add a payment method to this account. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, where you can either add or update a saved payment method. The payment methods do vary from country to country. For myself in the UK, as you can see, the payment methods available is Visa, MasterCard or JCB. So you would select the option from here and then proceed to enter your details. Once you've entered your details and your billing information, just come down and click continue at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead and add that payment method to Steam. So that is how to add a payment method on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.